Welcome back! Now that your profile is set up, let's explore the three main tabs at the bottom of your screen. We are going to start with your daily home base, the dashboard. Your dashboard is built to make every day easier. Let's start with the medicine log. Simply tap the plus icon to add a new medication. Select your schedule. And hit save. You can easily check off your doses right here so you never miss a pill. Just below your medicines is today's timeline. Tap the plus icon to easily add your next doctor's appointment. OncoBuddy will keep your schedule beautifully organized and send you timely reminders so you are always prepared. Scrolling down, you'll find the diet tracker. Tap the plus icon to quickly log your appetite, water intake, and overall nutrition. It's a simple habit that helps your care team monitor your strength. Right below that is mood and symptoms, because your emotional well-being is just as important as your physical health. Tap to choose how you're feeling today. Log any specific symptoms you're experiencing, and hit save. Finally, we have Vital Sync. Tap the plus button to easily record your temperature, heart rate, and blood pressure. Keeping this updated gives your doctor a perfect, real-time picture of your health. By spending just a couple of minutes a day on your dashboard, you take total control of your care journey. But what about all those medical files and reports? Join us in the next video as we unlock the power of the Care Records tab.